te elijo a ti. Si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti. Para poder vivir, te elijo a ti. Es lo que me hace sentir.
There you go. Ayan ang ating pick up. Let's go! Okay. Bye-bye. Gracias. Grabe guys, sobrang laki. As in. Alam mo yung malaki yung ship, alam mo, no? Pero yung ganong kalaki, parang, totoo ba?
Sal de tu nido, paloma linda, anda y prueba tu volar. No te...
So, nakapasok na tayo. Sobrang laki. Yes.
Multiply, multi-day.
Tagpe.
Hindi niya mahanap yung stamp ni Mami. Sobrang dami daw stamp. Lakwachero si Dora. Ang credit card na nakaregister, hindi sa akin. Wala naman kang gagastusin. Ikaw naman. Grabe dito, guys. Wow. Ganda naman ng kanilang Barcelona port.
Ay, oo nga pala. Sige talaga, kaya pwede yung pumunta sa ano. Kailangan online pa lang. Bumili na kayo, parang kapasok kayo dun sa Vatican.
Okay.
Kasi pag hindi kayo nag-ano lang online, sobrang haba ng pila
So, we met, ay kababayan. Sir, anong department ka ba?
sa IT.
Uy, IT. Sir, internet namin ah.
Ay, internet ko kayo, ano? Internet manager ang mga
So, our room key, which means we're already checked in. Gracias.
I saw that you were showing me the car.
Yeah, I'm like, you know,
Yeah, but
filming.
now I realize.
Okay. Wanna say hi, sir?
Hola.
Hola! They are all friendly. Yung mga Spanish, friendly sila. Nakakatawa. Pinagyayabang niya yung kanyang room key. Sabi ko sa kanya, maya-maya lang yung mawawala.
Welcome to the Barcelona Cruise Terminal. Hola, Barcelona. Adios. Ciao.
Ciao is bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Adios is
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Ciao is more. Ciao is informal. Yeah. Vámonos.
vámonos.
Vamonos, let's go!
Vámonos.
Yes!
Wala naman Emirates yung ano namin, isang luggage namin. Pero na-deliver na daw po. Saan dito?
Oh, nandito na daw. First time namin to do this Mediterranean cruise.
But have you been doing cruises?
Yes, pero Asian cruises. Room 716.
Wow, namiss mo?
We just checked into our stateroom. Malaki ah. We have huge bed. And we have here a sofa bed. TV, of course. And we have working area. Maraming outlet. Spacious. Mirror. And then we have the toilet here, guys. Mas malaki to, guys, kesa sa mga toilet sa Japan. Maraming shelves. Shower. Meron ng shampoo and conditioner. Linis. Hand soap, and of course, ito ka water. Have cabinet, closet, safe, and then what's in there? And then hangers. Another huge mirror over here. Here, fridge. Ayun. Hair dryer, trash. Most of all, the view is here. Wow! Aakit tayo sa taas, guys, kasi pagka ganitong first day ng cruise, usually merong welcome party, merong sail away party. First time, so we are very excited. There's so much to explore in this 9-day Mediterranean cruise. Imagine nyo, 3 countries. We're gonna go, of course, we're now here in Barcelona, so it's Spain. Tomorrow, we're gonna wake up in Cannes, France. And then Italy, we will have Livorno, we will have Civitavecchia, we will have Sardinia, and then go back to Spain in Ibiza, Mallorca, and then back to Barcelona. Welcome to Norwegian Escape! All aboard, please! We have here several papers na binigay kanina. So first things first is welcoming us to the cruise. Second is safety first. We would like to take this opportunity to officially welcome you on board Norwegian Escape. Here at NCL, the safety and well-being of our guests and crew is of paramount importance. I got here yung aming shore excursion tickets. Ito yung mga initial na cruise na binuko online just to make sure na makakasama kami sa shore excursion. Maraming nagko-cruise, so it's important na i-secure nyo yung slot nyo. Especially kung gustong-gusto nyo mapuntahan talaga yung place na yon. Pwede namang mag-book on board. Maraming nga ng pila, mahaba. Nakita ko kanina doon ang daming tao. Pero meron din akong mga shorex na ibubook ko pa lang. Ito yung mga shore excursions list na pwedeng ma-avail. Napakarami. Tomorrow we will be in Cannes, tapos the following day in Livorno, Italy, and then Civitavecchia, Naples, Cagliari, Ibiza, Palma de Mallorca, and finally, back in Barcelona. Ito yung kanilang freestyle daily. So, every day may nilalabas na ganito, highlighting yung events for the day, mga shows, mga activities, schedule ng mga restaurants, schedule ng mga events.
We're going on the bar over there.
Oh, wow!
Hola! Sunset in Barcelona! Dinner time, and dinner is teppanyaki.
Question any special diet food allergies here, just let me know. Alright, thank you, enjoy, and have fun tonight.
But this is my first time, yeah? Ready? Where are you from, sir? Madam, where are you from?
Philippines!
Philippines! Rolling! Rolling! Rolling on the spatula! Spatula! Javier Hernandez Chicharito from Mexico! Yeah! Ice cream yummy!
Ice cream zone!
Yes! Yummy fried rice, yeah? Fried rice from Korea we call Oppa! Oppa Gangnam rice! So, pop, 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 Oppa Gangnam rice! You know Oppa Gangnam rice? Okay, everybody wanna see butterfly? Oh,
Ito yung butterfly.
everybody like chicken? Chicken all the way from Kelsey Plus. Everybody like the pizza? Bye-bye!
Gracias! Kuya, thank you! Saan ang masasabi ko? Muy bien! Thank you!
Wow! Delicioso, muy bien.
For auction din, no?
200, 350 and 3 are still there. What move this round? Where do you want us to appear this way?
Good morning from France! Today is our day 2 and we just dock here in Cannes, France. Nakikita ko na yung mga tender boats over here. Ganito pala yung nangyayari if di makakadock yung ship sa port. Gumagamit sila ng maliliit na boats para i-transfer yung guests from the ship to the boat and then to the port and vice versa. Yan. So, ayan na po yung mga tender boats.
Where are they?
Oh. Ayan. So, dyan tayo mamaya magta-transfer. Good morning! Bonjour! So, we are going on a shore excursion today, visiting Monaco and Monte Carlo.
I've been to Nice. We are currently in Nice, actually, di ba?
Cannes.
Cannes. Pero dadaan tayo ng Nice.
Oh, yes. Oh.
And the Isle of Greece, while I ship champagne on the yacht.
I move like Carlo in Monte Carlo and show them what I've got.
Yes, let's show them what we've got, mommy. Let's go.
Hi, Cap. Good morning. How's the ship going? How's the docking going? Parang nagbi-meeting sila mga B, oh. So those are the people behind our cruise, di ba? Imagine kung wala sila, hindi tayo makaka-cruise because they are the expert. Let's go, let's go. Wow! Look at your ate, oh. Di ba? Ang sabi ni Monte Carlo. Yes. Wow! Attend ka ng film festival?
Yes.
Hi po.
Hello po.
Hi, Kuya! Good morning!
Morning.
Grabe, guys. Yung mga crew dito sa ship is over 1,000 and 70% of them are Filipinos. Imagine that.
Represent.
Yeah! Di ba? Yung mga Pinoy talaga, makikita mo sila anywhere in the world.
Yes, madam. How are you today? Are you ready to order?
Yes.
Do you have any food allergy to be away?
No. I'm good. I'll order corn beef hash. Sa mga Pinoy na to, guys, ang daming nila talaga, as in. Kuya, ilan kayong Pinoy dito sa barko? 70%. Oh, 70%. I'm having corn beef hash. Bagel. Hazel is having French toast with bacon. Ano yun? Maple. And June is having English breakfast. So, ang daming bababa, mag-shore excursion. Kuya.
This will
Alright, thank you. So, dito yung station natin, guys. Tingnan mo sila naka-popper jacket.
Ang labi. Malamig ba? Oh, shit mo naman.
Tana
Alam
ko.
mo.
Parang sabi niya, B, oo, sabi niya, titiisin ko lahat para sa iyo.
Will get your sticker, and that sticker actually is your bus number. That is the reason why it's very important for all of us to stay together.
By yourself?
3.
Where are the other three?
3. At my
When
back.
you're traveling together,
Yes.
keep the tickets together.
Alright.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
And also what is important for us, we have to know the tender boat is ready. Each tender boat has a certain capacity.
So the time,
8:49. Meeting time is 8:45.
we're just waiting for them to say.
Finish the briefing
Yes.
and fall in line.
So guys, it's usually like this on a cruise. Parang they have daily schedule ng mga shore excursions, but you have the option not to join. Okay lang yun because there's still a lot to do in the ship. As in, you will never run out of the things to do. Ang daming activities, entertainment,
May mga bar,
Yes.
may mga spa.
Yes. Overflowing yung mga pwede mong magawa.
Kahapon nung nakita namin yung activities, akala namin for the whole week.
For one day lang pala yun.
For today lang daw yun.
All aboard by 5 p.m. Okay. So there you go. Ito yung ating boat. Magta-transfer tayo dyan. coming from the ship. Hi, morning. Look at the ship, how big it is. Diyan tayo galing. And then, we're moving to this boat. Bakit ganon? Ni-research ko na to para information for you guys. Kapag yung port, hindi kayang dumaong yung mga ship na ganito kalalaki, like in this case, meron silang parang way, they call it tendering, bago makaka-move to the port yung mga guests. Okay? Diba? We're enjoying and we're learning.
Minutes to the Cannes port. See you later, big ship. Bonjour.
Mga shore excursion buses, 16 tayo. 16. Okay, ayun sa dulo guys. Etong lahat ng mga buses na to are shore excursions. And iba-iba ang pupuntahan. Dapat aware tayo sa ating bus number. Otherwise, mawawala. Here's our bus. Thank you. Meron kaming audio system guys. Dito mamamarinig yung tour guide explaining yung mga highlights of the tour.
Altogether, we will spend the day in the Principality of Monaco. When the weather is very nice, you don't have any difference between the sky and the sea. The name of Cannes comes from the caves which were surrounding the city, which was very marshy. The garage with the Ferrari. You have the greatest number of Ferraris in the world are concentrated in the Principality.
Monaco it is. From Cannes, we are now here in Monaco. Our tour will last for like 7 hours, going around Monaco and Monte Carlo. And then later on, babalik din tayo sa Cannes. So the same way, we're gonna do the tendering, tapos on board ulit ng ship.
Sabi namin.
Oo.
Sobrang dami talagang pagkain sa ship, guys. Doon na lang kakain.
Nakakahinayang kasi.
Pero yung pagdating namin dito, gusto ko nang kumain, ha. Makatingin na kami doon.
Bouquet de fleurs rouges, panier de fruits d'or.
We need a ticket to get inside this, pero walang time. So, ikot lang dito. Volkswagen. Wow! Monaco is a country and Monte Carlo is a district in Monaco. So, maliit lang yung Monaco. It's like Vatican City. Pero they are rich. Ilan na yung mga luxury cars na nasasalubong namin. And then those luxury cars na hindi ko pa nakikita sa Asia. Look at the view!
This is France and
Wow! This Côte d'Azur. Nice. Souvenir items. Cup. What is this? Thermometer. Cute siya guys, oh. Nice. Pero very masculine. Hindi ko fashion ang mga cap. Wow! Nice, ang ganda. Sure ako I want this. Pizza. Sandwich. Here. Kebab. Prosciutto. Salami. Oh.
Okay guys, ganito ha. Gusto mo ng pasta, no?
Pasta, yung gusto ko din.
Gusto mo?
Oo, gusto ko din ng sandwich.
Ano nga mas gusto mo?
Parang mura yung sandwich eh. Kasi ito lang dito lang sa mga 7 euros. Yung pasta nakita ko 25. Okay din sana yung pizza eh.
Pero feeling ko kasi hindi ka madaldal sa vlog, feeling ko nga gutom ka na. Sige na, pagbibigyan kita.
For prosciutto. Thank you. Yan na lang ang sukli ng 20 euros ko guys. Thank you.
Ang nanay nating nagsabi kanina sa ano.
Hoy, kayo yung may gusto. Tapos sabi ko, sige nga, makikisama nga ako. Baka kaya ko din.
Paki-rewind, editor. Flashback. Kaya ko to guys. Kaya ko para makapag-swimsuit pa ako.
Hindi mo kaya.
Uy guys, baby, ito lang. Kumakalam ni Sigmura ako.
Di ba? Kunyari ka pa. Yung mga bread, ano? Ang kukunat. Parang, pasakit yung panga mo. Pero, nice siya.
I have to say, very touristy tong spot na to. And kinakabahan akong bumili kasi baka matigas siya or parang baka very tourist trap. Pero sarap.
Parang hindi ko siya ganun nakikita. Parang, well, it's a tourist destination, pero nakita ko may quality yung mga tinda eh.
Ah, talaga?
Tapos, kung mahal siya, parang okay lang sa akin kasi maganda siya yun. Parang freshly done.
Rate ko to. 10 out of 10, guys. Guys, ang sarap! Hindi ako mahilig sa sandwich, Hindi ako mahilig sa ganito.
Saka $9 lang naman.
Gusto ko bumili ng magnet, pero sabi ni Mami, hindi daw nice mag-magnet sa ref.
Dahil mo sa kanya, gusto mo.
Eh, hindi nga nice mag-magnet sa ref, sabi mo eh.
Kasi kung gusto mo, di ba? Meron naman tao kahit hindi nice, yung gusto nila eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Ano yan?
Ang sarap din, di?
Ang sarap din.
Alam nyo guys, nakakabusog. 650 euros. So almost 400 pesos for a sandwich. Pero malaki. Tapos prosciutto with cheese. Masarap. At saka ang dami pang klaseng sandwich. So we found this spot on our way back to the bus. Hinahanap na namin to kanina eh. Nakatago lang pala siya. Nandiyan naman ang ate niyo, ang suot, di ba? Hindi ang giniginaw. Inilaban niya talaga yung damit niya.
Bakit ikaw? Sino ka lang din naman ha?
She is happy because she found all the spots. Hindi naman all, no? Most.
Actually, nahanap ko yun. Grabe, nasa Pinterest board ko yun dati. Pero wala akong ever na maiisip kung mapapapad ako sa Monte Carlo or Monaco. Kasi I know it's expensive here. Pero because of a cruise ship, pwede na pala. Honestly, di ba? Parang hindi mo naman siya usually dadayuhin.
True.
Like, uunahin mo yung Paris,
Oo,
uunahin
yung
mo
mga ibang cities ang ipaprioritize mo.
Yes,
No?
pero kung mag-Mediterranean cruise ka, madadaanan mo pala. Alam niyo guys, ang dami pang madadaanan eh. Like yung mga UNESCO site ng mga Cinque Terre,
Yes.
Amalfi, na alam mong hindi namin basta-basta madadayo.
Marami ka pang uunahing i-tick off sa
Yes.
bucket list mo before ka pumunta dun sa mga dadaanan ng cruise. But because you're doing the Mediterranean cruise, para you have the ship experience, tapos meron ka pang mga shore excursion.
And hindi mo naman kasi kailangan magstay talaga na matagal eh. Kasi ito na yun eh, di ba?
Maliit lang ang Monaco, guys. Para lang siyang Vatican City. But even then, it's a country. na maliit, na mayaman, ganun, sana all.
Dito daw ang pinakamadaming owners ng Ferrari.
And yung mga apartment daw dito, nasa 200 per square meter yung mga sizes. Imagine yung apartment or a sort of condominium. Ano? Tapos guys, ang per square meter, 70,000 euro times 200.
Minimum yun
Oo.
pero minsan 100.
I-times nyo na sa 63.
That's rent. Kaya daw yung mga gusto tumira dito, yun ang rent. Ano ka? Sa tingin mo sa'yo, Nabi?
Akala ko bibilin. Rent pa lang yun.
Rent yun.
So going back to our bus. Number 16.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here on the racetrack. Don't be afraid, we won't do it at the same speed as the pilot. You can see on the soil the square where are located the stars. It is there that he delivers the award. This building, which has been designed, is the Fairmont Hotel.
Second stop. And this is Casino de Monte Carlo.
We are in Monte Carlo.
And then,
And yung mga shoppingan, gano'n. Grabe guys, hindi ako makapaniwala. Nanonood lang ako dati yung movie na Monte Carlo.
tapos nandito kami.
Padpad tayo sa Monte Carlo.
Babalikan ko na yung sinabi ni ate mo girl kanina. Sabi niya, dito sa Monte Carlo, yung prison is air-conditioned.
May 7 rooms. Wala daw nakukulong, pero hindi daw nila alam ba't may jail pa.
Tapos, meron silang lutuan. At pwede kang mamili ng food mo. Meron daw vegetarian.
Pescatarian, lahat. Merong ref and air condition nga yung rooms. So sabi niya, if
Advance
you want...
booking
Oo,
ka na.
advance booking.
Kung gusto mo matry.
Oo.
Siguro yung iba kung halimbawa wala ka ng bahay, wala ka ng makakainan, wala ka ng trabaho, di magpunta ka na lang doon, magpakulong ka na lang doon. Di ba? At may shelter ka pa and all. This place is so grand. Sobra. As in. This is Casino de Monte Carlo. Pag pumasok dyan, may entrance fee. Imagine sa atin, di ba, yung mga casino, wala nang entrance fee. Kasi magagambling ka na.
So now you have a free time.
Who are the people come here to gamble?
Tourists, foreigners, local not allowed because it's a small city.
How many population for Monaco?
30,000 are residents, so that means they don't have the nationality, and 8,000 have the nationality of Monaco.
Okay, only 38,000. Very small country. So very interesting. For you to become considered inhabitants, you married like for 20 years.
You have to be 20 years married if you are not born on the spot from a Monegasque family.
Wow, si Lolo. It's Aston Martin. Oh my gosh.
Okay, katatapos lang po ng car show. Siguro maya-maya po ulit, meron po ulit dyan. Hindi ba car show ba?
Hindi siya car show. Naturally, yun ang mga sasakyan dito. Like sa atin kasi pagka dumadaan, kuwari Lexus. Parang dito guys, yung Lexus is just nothing.
Taxi nila. Nakita mo kanina? Benz nila taxi.
So rich. 38,000 lang ang population dito sa Monaco. 30,000 are residents, 8,000 are Monegasque. When you say Monegasque, sila yung talagang pinanganak dito, may passport na Monegasque. And they are not allowed to gamble.
Bakit?
Kasi yung financial nila kailangan kept intact at saka parang ayaw ipaalam. Parang gano'n. Pwede kang mag-apply ng residency dito. Kung may capacity ka to rent, to buy properties, pwede.
So, yung nabasa ko siguro is mga Monegasque. Kasi sabi sa internet, guys, yung mga nakatira daw dito, minimum $20 million sa bank. Hindi dapat bababa doon.
Tapos sabi ng ating tour guide, usually daw kunyari, yung husband nag-work, pero yung wife di na nag-work.
Kasi?
Rich na.
Wow! Parang nakita ko nga kanina, may mga hindi daw talaga nag-work at all.
Oo.
Pero paano sila naging rich? Born to be rich lang?
When you say daw principality, it's the prince. Wala daw king dito. Only prince. Kaya principality. Kasi tinanong ko, nakukonfuse ako. When you say principality, what do you mean? Sabi kong gano'n. Prince daw kasi ang nagro-rule. At yung mga inhabitants ng prince, hindi pwedeng magsugal.
Ang galing. Yun pala meaning ng
Along with Monegasque. Oh, di ba iba-iba? Oh, di ba? Ayan. Meron bang car show? Natutuwa ako dito. May reflection siya para siyang glass. Oh, di ba? That's me. Hello! On our way here, while nakasakay tayo ng bus on the right side sa lane
Sa side mo? Hindi.
puro mga yate.
Oo nga, puro yate.
Puro yate. Tapos may kumakain. Yung parang doon sila nagdadine. So hindi ko alam kung ano ba siya like public na pwedeng kumain doon or yung may-ari yun ng yate.
Hindi ko may-ari yun ng yate.
Nakaka-amaze kasi puro sila ganun. Di kakain lang sila, nasa yate pa sila. Ganun. Naon. This is Hotel de Paris. Ayan. Ayan. So how much is it per night?
It depends at which period of the year you come. Price is multiplied by 5.
Oh, during
The Grand Prix.
the months of May times 5 daw, guys. Mars, ang ganda ng sasakyan. Tingnan niyo ba? Aston Martin. It's our free time, so just going around al fresco dining. Parang ang sarap naman ito. Parang ang sarap hawakan. Wow! So nice. It's cute. Thank you. Candle holder. Kita naman dito. Dito ako magsasalad. Oh, diba?
Talaga ba, be?
Thank you. This one is cute.
Pero parang marami yan sa Dapitan, Mars.
Pero ano ba? Iba namang quality. Hindi ganyan exactly.
Talaga. Thank you. Wow, ang cute naman ng mga store dito. Parang di mo mapapansin, store pala.
Parang ang peak season daw dito ng mga hotels is May. So kapag kami, yung mga hotels dyan, times 5 ang rate. So kaya dapat pupunta ka daw before or after.
Ba't ano meron pag May?
Meron silang parang festival something.
Grand Prix!
Yes. Yes, that's the one.
Oh, perfect
The
Grand
Grand
Prix. Hala, babe, mini Sandy. Wow.
Reserve ko na lang yung mga...
I know.
Oh, diba? Is this real or just display? Mars, the bread, is this real?
Parang oo, besh. It's real.
Make you pasta.
Uy, Marsha, hindi na pwedeng hindi kumain sa Rome, ha? Ganyang pasta yung dyan niluluto.
Kasama dyan yung mga ano na-extract na mga quality nito. Ito mo, bumubuko na. Shorex. Over.
Alam mo,
Going
sobrang-
back to the ship.
Yes. Medyo nagiging tita na ako in terms of everything. And I appreciate yung mga gatong shopping. Very light.
Parang cool, relax lang.
So when you book sa NCT, di ba, makikita mo yung level of difficulty ng mga Shorex doon. Yung mga level 3, level 2.
Yes.
Very detailed sila. Like, nakalagay 80 steps. Ganon.
You will walk like 10 minutes and then go up the stairs o ng mga 80 steps.
Oo, ganon.
Ganon.
Detail.
Wala ka nang tatanungin sa mga Shorex because everything is there. Duration, yung level of difficulty, tapos nakalagay doon, not recommended for physically challenged person. Thank you.
Thank you. You can keep the
Okay, thank you.
souvenir.
Yeah.
Sobrang friendly ng mga peoples dito.
Thank you.
Sa totoo lang, mga Spanish friendly sila. No? Dito rin naman sa Monaco. Kanina pa yung aming tour operators, sabi ng principality. Principality. Hindi ko napigilan. Tinanong ko na siya. Who is principality? Sabi niya, principality is the prince. Here no king. Oh, so walang hari. So sabihin walang asawa yung prince.
May wife, pero prince lang siya.
Prince lang siya. Is it princess?
Princess siya ng Monaco yung wife. Olympic swimmer. Yung Prince Albert.
Prince Albert. Ang the wifey is
Charlene.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Merci. Tour guide. Ito Milo.
Going home!
Back to the ship! Continuing our journey.
Yes! Merci beaucoup!
Ibang language. I love what I am seeing.
Me too. I love what I'm seeing.
Alam niyo, it's pleasing
To the eye.
to the eyes and to the senses. Tsaka,
So you love Mediterranean. The French Riviera
I
is
love.
giving.
yes. Look at the sunset. Wow! Ganda, guys. Ayun yung mga officer, oh. Well, the last time I saw this kind of sunset was in Venice in February. Ang ganda ng sunset dito sa Europe, I have to say. Ang ganda! Ako talaga is, I love sunsets. Tapos, ang hilig ko din naman sa autumn. Kasi yung sunsets din, ang daming kulay eh. Similarly with autumn. Medyo maaga yung dinner namin ngayon. 5:30 lang nang pina-arrange ko. Only because we have invitation. It's a VIP captain's party at 7:30.
I'm so killing to be invited.
Diba guys? May shopping.
Guys, boutique? Wow!
Oo.
There's a shopping Kinemero.
Ay, may Rolex.
Alam mo yung Rolex.
Watches, guys. And jewelries. Traffic ako only because there is shopping. Pero annual diamond sale. You have everything here dito sa cruise, guys. Not just entertainment, not just food. You know, you have shopping. Oh, di ba? Yung mga kailangan yung gadgets. Then suddenly you realize kailangan yun ng cameras and all. Then you have it here. Ngayon lang namin ito nadaanan. Dito tayo magdi-dinner sa Moderno Churrascaria. Brazilian Steakhouse. Ito yung isa sa mga specialty dining dito sa Norwegian SQ. Lahat ng specialty dining nila at itry natin. Kahapon, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung performance ng chef. More than the food na masarap, nakakaaliw yung entertainment, no? Wow. We have a reservation for 3 packs. Like your phone. Thank you. Can I get your drinks as well? Are you like to have a virgin drinks without alcohol? Very good. A fruit punch for you or a bama mama?
Natulala na tayo sa kanya. Ba't naman natulala ka na
Information overload. Fruit punch na lang po.
But for you, medyo fruity lang. Perfect margarita, mga lemons. Orange with a dash of cranberry, mama, but without alcohol for you.
Sige na nga po.
Yan.
Iba maganda.
Iba mag-offer eh, parang hindi mo mahindian.
Kaya,
ang ganda ng pangalan.
But I'm giving you a bread as well. It's a tapioca cheese roll. It's a gluten-free. It's perfect for your dinner and it's really, really hot. And then I'll bring you on your table our Brazilian sides with garlic mashed potato. What is the purpose of our coaster? Here's our coaster red. Red is stuffed and green is for to go. When you turn it into green, we will start to serve our 9 meats on your table.
9 meats?
One by one.
akala ko po isa na isa nagde-decide ako.
No. All the meats will be served on your table, but one by one, and served by our pasadore. It will be sliced in front of you.
Oh.
Wow!
Cheese yummy. Manchego cheese. B, kailangan mo tumatikman. That's good. Veg, some more. Tikman natin to, guys.
itong kinuha ko, it's just appetizer. Yung main course saka yung dessert, dadalhin pa lang. Oh, thank you.
Yung pilimin yun po, ayan yung chimichurri sauce and salsa. It's really good.
Grabe, sarap. Chicken wrapped in bacon. Yung waitress namin, Pilipina, binigyan niya kaming rice. Alam niya na, pork loin. Parang ano siya, lechon, kawali.
Oh my God, grabe guys.
And then dito, shoot. Well done siya, pero ang sarap. Medyo done yung nakuha ko. May iba-iba pang magdadala sa'yo, may tagahiwa.
Parang lagi may performance for specialty dining.
Parang hindi lang isa-serve yung food, no? May gagawin. This is lamb. Iba-ibang level of cooking.
Paano po gawin ko? Ay, ganun.
Ikaw din nagluluto?
May chef po kami. Mga Pilipino din.
Chicken with parmesan.
Para mawala yung meats. It's good for dissolving.
I'm gonna try. This is very, very small. Thank you. Another.
Came from Brazil. So it's
Oh,
originated by his country. So he's serving by his country.
Meron silang coaster na ganito. Basta kabila green. Naka-red siya. Pero pagka naging green siya, meaning ready ka na mag-main course. Kung tapos ka ng mag-main course, ilalagay mo na siya sa red. Kasi yung main course, 9 na klase ng meat. So, lalapit at lapit sila sa iyo para tanungin ka kung gusto mo pa ng mga meat. So, para ma-stop na yung paglapit, i-re-red mo siya. That's why. Doon sa Sham, na klase ng meat, parang 3 lang ako. Yung piranha, filet mignon, tapos yung parang dempo, tsaka isang steak pack. Another meat na naman!
Try niyo po ma'am, baka magustuhan niyo.
Sige po. Isa-isa ba yan?
Pwede hatiin.
Sayang kasi. How is it?
Sarap.
Ating dessert. Oh. Anong pipiliin ko dyan? Gusto ko ng 3 leches.
Sarap na ito, ba? Kaya tayo.
Nice, oh. Leche lang. Pero not too sweet, guys. Hindi pa man kami natutunawan eh. Pupunta uli kami sa party. Meron kaming invitation. Captain's VIP Cocktail Party. Let's go! Yung mga pila. And this is actually not for everybody. It's by invitation only. We got invited, pero ang mga ate mo anti-social. Taga-social media.
Meet and greet with the captain pala to. Hi! Nice to meet you, Captain! Hi! You will be in our vlog. Yeah! Hi!
Hi! Hi!
Wow! Wow! Kababayan! Sino ang nagpapamaneho nito?
Non-alcoholic?
Yes.
What's this?
This is tropical fun.
Pwede dyan. Pika-pika. Sir, katatapos lang namin mag-dinner. So, still full. Thank you. Meron tayong pa newsletter over here. So, this is for tomorrow's activity.